Jai Hind, Namaskar, Kurumjari. A very good morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all, esteemed ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, invitees, artists, officials, and members of the public gathered here at the Palace Auditorium for the Tiranga Concerts 2026, organized as part of Har Ghar Tiranga 2026 campaign. We are honored by your presence as we come together to celebrate the spirit of our nation through music, dance, art, and culture. May we request all guests to kindly take their seats as we prepare to receive our distinguished dignitaries. The arrival of the Honorable Governor, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and Honorable Ministers of Manipur is scheduled shortly. We request everyone to kindly maintain the decorum of the occasion and keep the aisles clear. Ngasi August ki tang tarani thoi yaifaraba yumsa kaisa numit asida Har Ghar Tiranga gi manung chana pangthok chariba Tiranga Concerts 2026 asibu sarugya balak piriba mayam pumnamakpu khurumjaba galoina na taramna okchari. Thoram asigi athoiba mithunglen oibigedoriba Honorable Governor Shri Ajay Kumar Bhala, Thoramapu Oibigedoriba, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Yumnam Khemchan Singh, Loinana, Guest of Honor Oibigedoriba, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shri Losi Diko, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Shrimati Nemcha Kipgen, Honorable Minister Shri Konthozam Govindas Amadi, Honorable Minister Shri Kuraizam Loken Singh, Ikai Kumna Jariba dignitaries Singh Asina, Thoram Pangthokadoriba Hall Asida Hek Yobirakpaga, Thoram Hojagani. Aduna tinbiriba mayam pumnamakna isai sagi fampham langda lengsin biduna thorum hongna bagi tanjadu mayam punna ngai minashi. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we are pleased to announce the arrival of the Honorable Chief Minister at the venue. He is yet to reach the hall. We are awaiting the arrival of the Honorable Governor, and as soon as the Honorable Chief Minister and Honorable Governor reaches the hall, we will commence the program. Thank you.
이렇게 머리 흔들려요. 가리 웬 라서 가면 사진 좀 갖고 심어봐 흔들려. 그다음에 뭐 라면 좀 갖고 야노 저기 있는 데는 이상한 도구로. 그냥 한다고 손 안 먹는 거.
내가 만들었어.
मङ्गलम्
Thank you. Please be seated. We thank the artists of Shri Shri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College and अहानबा मक्तदा लमदम असिबु कोनबिरिबा इबुधौ अमदि इबेन्धौ अनिगी खुया खादा चंगजरगा ngasiगी थौरम असिबु टिकता कायदबा खुलौ पालौदबा अमदि मपुग फाबा पिनबियु हाइना निजबग लोइनना ngasiगी थौरम हौनबगी तंजा अदु लौजगे. A very warm and gracious welcome to each and every one of you to the special celebration of Tiranga Concerts 2026 organized as part of Har Ghar Tiranga 2026 campaign. The Tiranga is more than our national flag. It represents the values we cherish, the sacrifices that have shaped our nation, and the aspirations that continue to inspire every generation. Let us begin this celebration with pride in our nation, pride in our heritage, and pride in the spirit of Manipur. Ladies and gentlemen, now to formally welcome our distinguished dignitaries, may I request Honorable Minister, Art and Culture Tourism, Shri Khuraisam Loken Singh, to kindly felicitate our dignitaries with a humble token of love and appreciation. Firstly, to our chief guest, the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhala. Our functional president, Shri the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumnam Khemchand Singh. Honorable First Lady of Manipur, Srimati Jyoti Bhala. Our guest of honor, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Losi Dikho. The Honorable Minister for Home and Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Konthozam Govindas Singh. We thank the Honorable Minister for the graceful felicitation. May I now request respected Secretary, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Shri Naurim Praveen, to kindly felicitate the Honorable Minister, Art and Culture, Tourism, Shri Khuraisam Loken Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, may we also acknowledge the presence of our honorable MLAs among us. May we also acknowledge the presence of our guest of honor, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Srimati Nemcha Kipgen, and Honorable MLA Shri Haukolet Kipgen, who are with us virtually today, and express our heartfelt gratitude for their presence. Respected Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Shri Naurim Praveen, felicitating the honorable MLAs present with us today. May we now invite the Secretary, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, Shri Naurim Praveen Singh, IAS, to deliver the welcome address.
Honorable Governor of Manipur, Sri Ajay Kumar Balaji, and Madam Bhalla, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri Yumnam Khamsan Singh, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, Srimati Namcha Kikuken, and Sri Losi Dikho, Honorable Ministers, Sri Govindas Konthokjam, and Sri K.S. Loken Singh, Honorable MLAs, respected Chief Secretary, Director General of Police, senior members and members of the civil and police administration, distinguished dignitaries, eminent artists, awardees, esteemed guests, ladies and gentlemen, friends from media, and my dear students. A very warm welcome to all of you to the Tiranga concert organized as a part of the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign 2026. Today, we gather not merely for a cultural program, but to celebrate the national flag, our national identity, and the spirit of unity that binds us together as Indians. The Tiranga is a symbol of our freedom, sovereignty, sacrifice, and aspirations. For Manipur, the tricolor has a particularly deep historical connections. Moirang holds the proud place in the history of India's freedom struggle, where the Indian National Army hoisted the Tiranga for the first time on mainland Indian soil in 1944. This makes the Tiranga not only a national symbol for us, but also a part of the historical memory of our own land. The significance of flag is perhaps felt most deeply when it is raised after an Indian athlete wins an international competitions and national anthem is played. For the sportsperson of Manipur who have brought laurels to the country, such moments reminds us that individual achievement can become a source of pride for the entire nation. Our song Bande Mataram occupies an equally special place in our national consciousness. It inspired generation during the freedom struggle and expressed the profound emotional bonds between our people and our motherland. Even today, it evokes a deep sense of patriotism and devotion to the nation. For the people of Manipur, this nation spirit finds a beautiful expression in our national state song, Sanalipak Manipur. We remember with gratitude its lyricist, late B. Jayantkumar Sharma, and its composer, Ahibam Shyam Sharma, whose words and music gave the enduring expression to our love for Manipur. We also gratefully remembered the original singers, late Nomaitem Pahari, late Ahibam Buddhachandra, Ayekpam Kamla, late Khundrakpam Tampasna Devi, Ayekpam Sobita, whose voices gave life to this celebrated song. The program today also provides the opportunity to honor their contribution. The true meaning of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign goes beyond the displaying of the flags. It is about developing respect for our national symbols, pride in our heritage, faith in our fellow citizens, and commitment to contribute to the nations. The youth of Manipur possess energy, talent, imaginations to shape the future of our state and our country, whether in sports, education, science, technology, art, culture, or public service. Your achievement can contribute to the progress and reputation of both Manipur and India. May this Teranga concert inspire all of us, particularly our young people, to carry forward the values represented by our national flag and to work with dedication for a peace, united and progressive Manipur and India. I once again extend my warm welcome to all of you and wish Tiranga concert and Har Ghar Tiranga campaign every success. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Rock Manipur, who premiered Sana Laibak Manipur on All India Radio on 9 April 1967, a song that was declared the state song of Manipur in 2021. May I now invite the artists, the writers, composers, and singers associated with this historic song and their family representatives to kindly join us on stage. Shri Pabung Aribam Sham Sharma, composer and singer. Dr. B. Vidyapati Sharma, representing his late father, Oza Bachaspati Mayum Jayantikumar Sharma, the songwriter. Shri Nongmaithim Paras, representing his late father, Oza Nongmaithim Pahari Singh, singer. Shri Ahibam Imocha Singh, representing his late father, Oza Ahibam Buddhachandra Singh, singer. Srimati Ayekpam Kamala Devi, singer. She will also represent her sister, Srimati Ayekpam Sobita Devi, singer, who is unable to be with us today as she is out of station. And Dr. Soibam Sunita Devi, representing her late mother, Srimati Kundrakpam Tampamani, singer. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome our distinguished members and representatives of the Roop Rak Manipur family with a warm, heartfelt round of applause. May I now respectfully invite our distinguished dignitaries, the Honorable Governor, Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and Honorable Ministers to kindly join us on stage. May I now respectfully invite the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhala, to felicitate Pabung Aribam Sham Sharma, composer and singer, and late Oza B. Jayantikumar Sharma. Firstly, may we invite the Honorable Governor to kindly felicitate Pabung Shri Aribam Sham Sharma. In honor of Shri Aribam Sham Sharma from Thangmaiban Laurungpure Laikai, Imphal, a legendary voice and visionary of Manipuri music whose artistry as a singer, composer, music director, and filmmaker has enriched the cultural heritage of Manipur with profound admiration and gratitude for his enduring contribution to the state song of Manipur, Sana Laibak Manipur, first rendered in AIR Imphal, 1967, and the musical heritage of our land. Next, to our Dr. Bachaspati Mayum Vidyapati Sharma, representing his late father, Oza Bachaspati Mayum Jayantikumar Sharma, the songwriter. In grateful remembrance of late B. Jayantikumar Sharma, Bachaspati Mayum Laikai, Nahabam Bambapur Imphal, a distinguished son of Manipur whose love for the land lives on through the state song of Manipur, Sana Laibak Manipur. First rendered on AIR in 1967, his words inspire, his melody unites, and his legacy lives forever, with deepest respect and gratitude presented to his esteemed family. Our artists today are being felicitated with a Lengyan, citation, memento, and 1 lakh cash award. We thank the Honorable Governor. May we now respectfully invite the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumnam Khemchand, to felicitate late Oza Nongmaithim Pahari singer, represented by his son Shri N. Paras, and late Oza Ahibam Buddhachandra Singh, singer, represented by his son Shri Ahibam Imocha Singh. Shri late Nongmaithim Pahari singer. In grateful remembrance of late Nongmaithim Pahari, Yai School Chinga Kham Lairak, Moirang Khom Imphal, whose soulful voice gave life to the state song of Manipur, first rendered in AIR 1967. His voice became a cherished part of our heritage, and his legacy continues to resonate in the hearts of Manipur, with deepest respect and gratitude presented to his esteemed family. Now to late Ahibam Buddhachandra Singh, represented by his son, Oza Shri Nongmaithim Paras. In grateful remembrance of late Ahibam Buddhachandra from Thangmaiban Hizam Dewan Laikai, whose rich and warm voice brought the state song of Manipur, Sana Laibak, Manipur. His voice remains a cherished echo of Manipur's heritage, and his contribution lives on in our hearts, with deepest respect and gratitude presented to his esteemed family. Our traditional Lengyan, our citation, a memento, and 1 lakh rupees cash. We thank the Honorable Chief Minister for the felicitation. May we now invite the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shri Losi Diko, to kindly felicitate Srimati Ayekpam Kamala Devi Singha. In honor of Srimati Ayekpam Kamala Devi, Thangmaiban Lorongpure Laikai, whose rich, melodious, and timeless voice gave life to the state song of Manipur, Sana Laibak, Manipur. Her voice became a treasured part of Manipur's musical heritage, resonating across generations with grace and beauty. With profound admiration and gratitude, Srimati Ayekpam Kamala Devi. Today, Srimati Ayekpam Kamala Devi will also represent her sister, Ayekpam Sobita Singha. We request the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to kindly Minister, Shri Konthozam Govindas Singh, to kindly felicitate Srimati Ayekpam Sobita Devi, represented today by her sister, Ayekpam Kamala Devi. In honor of Srimati Ayekpam Sobita Lairiyambam Laikai Imphal, one of the original female voices of Sana Laibak, Manipur, the state song of Manipur, her timeless voice became a cherished part of Manipur's musical heritage, and her contribution continues to inspire generations with profound respect and heartfelt gratitude. We now request the Honorable Minister, Shri Khuraizam Loken Singh, to kindly, Shri Konthozam Govindas Singh, to kindly felicitate Srimati Kundrakpam Tamphamani Devi Singha, represented today by her daughter, Dr. Soibam Sunita Devi. Represented by Srimati Ayekpam Kamala Devi. In grateful remembrance of late Kundrakpam Tamphamani Devi, Kwakathel Moirangpurel Imphal, one of the original female voices of Sana Laibak, Manipur. Her voice became part of Manipur's cultural memory, and her legacy continues to sing through generations, with deepest respect and heartfelt gratitude presented to her esteemed family. We thank the Honorable Minister for the felicitation. May I now request all our dignitaries and the members of the representatives of Rubrak Manipur to kindly remain on stage for a group photograph. Thank you all. May I request everyone to kindly take their seats, and may we respectfully invite Pabung Aribam Sham Sharma to share a few words on this occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, may we have a heartfelt round of applause for our remarkable contributors to the cultural heritage of Manipur. Hauzik Shri Aribam Sham Sharma Pabungbu Wafum Khara Thambinaba Nolukchari.
Thank you, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Nam Khemchan Singh, Deputy Chief Ministers, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Sri Ruchi Dikho, and then Honorable Minister Sri Konthokjam Govindas from Home Yes Manipur, and Sri Khulaijam Loken Singh, Honorable Minister Arne Culture, aduga lembe punama timafamda nolukcheri kholamjeri ngasi dagi chahi humbu gi mamangda 60 years before akoina manga mamangki isei ase mayam da kacheki chahi humbu ngasi akogi diamond jubilee year ni haniki chahi ase aduna akogi Manipur da Manipur represent tawiyawa Manipur bul nungsibagi phongdop adugumba feeling ama phongdop ngamba isay amtang akoy na honajage haiduna Ruparaga say 1967 da masigi isay si akoy khala na pullaga artist ng na pullaga akoy na isay si semdagi bani adu nga sidi ang papangna masigi isay si na akoy da inspire tawle luna na puning da kontok na nung siba mapokre akoy na matamado mang siba mga dunga si mang pao na le lipang na sakhambire lipang na lokot pire Manipur state song na sakhambire adugi matakta akoy bisunga si mayam gi mafam da saktak pire akoy gi contribution na si mayam da khangan bire masigi da makta sinbire ba government ki malway na art and culture gi department pokre na thagat chali aduga lona puning sida yam nungsiba numitula koina sanai ma MK Binodini gi yumgi awang thamal kamada Rupara gi akoina akoy isay amtang di honasi adi akoina matamadura mapanda sanabasingna adu lona na akogi camp fire na ching tobukan da satrawining adi isay amta sakpa pangakte isay amta lelamde adu namta isay sa koina hone yaksipani adubu ngasi akoy girakta akoy tarit ki manungda akoy ahum da nga hawle adubu makoy akoy girakta ngasi sulaili sanali bak Manipur si sak khuding makti makoy hingli makoy na samba isay do akoy ngasi bokko yes kurum dari
Shri Aribam Sham Sharma Pabungbu Mamalyam Laba Wafum Kaya Thambirambagi Damak Thagachaba Phongdokchari. Ladies and gentlemen, music has a remarkable ability to bring people together. A patriotic song can turn emotions into expression and pride into a shared experience. To take this spirit forward, we have a presentation of patriotic songs by artists of Sri Sri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College.
पर्वत
Fazaraba, Leibakpu Nushibiba, Amadi, Saitazaba, Isai Paring Singh, Tambirambagi Shri Shri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College ki artist Singh Bu, Thagachaba Fugdokchari. Let us once again appreciate the artists with a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We will now take a short moment to prepare the stage for the next performance. From the melody of music, we now move to the language of movement. Dance has always been an integral part of Manipur's extraordinary cultural identity. It allows stories, emotions, and traditions to come alive not merely through words but through every gesture and every movement. We now have a choreographic presentation by the artists of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, the first Prime Minister of Free India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on his maiden visit to Manipur in 1952, witnessed Ras Leela at the Royal Palace on the invitation of His Highness Maharaja Buddhachandra Singh. Pandit Nehru was so moved by the spectacle of the Ras that he took the initiative of founding an institution of Manipuri dance in music. Thus was born the Manipur Dance College, established on April 1, in 1954 at the Babupara Theatre Hall in Imphal. The college was later renamed as Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy on June 8, 1964, after the demise of Pandit Nehru to honor his contribution to the founding of the academy. Today, the artists of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy will be presenting a choreographic dance presentation, Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat. It is a choreographic presentation that celebrates the spirit of India's unity in diversity through a vibrant blend of cultural, folk, and traditional dance forms from different regions of the country. The performance highlights the rich cultural heritage that binds the nation together. The composition portrays the beauty of India's diverse languages, customs, music, and traditions while emphasizing the values of harmony, mutual respect, and national integration. As each dance form seamlessly flows into the next, the presentation symbolizes that despite regional differences, every culture contributes to the strength and identity of one great nation. The production concludes with a powerful message of patriotism, solidarity, and the collective vision of building a stronger, united India, truly reflecting the essence of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we now invite the artists of the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy to present a special choreographic dance presentation, Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat.
चतुर्भुजम् शान्तम् रक्तवर्णम् स्मिताननम् अन्ये ढमरुगम् तथा शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो भो शम्भो शिव शम्भो स्वयम्भो
Kol मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकिया चढ़ दी जो मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकिया चढ़ दी जो ओ चंबे टकिया चढ़ दी जो 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 मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकिया चढ़ दी जो छोटा देवर बड़ा टुट पैना बोलो भाई पर आई है लड़ी पिया छोटा देवर बड़ा टुट पैना बोलो भाई पर आई है लड़ी पिया ओ भाई पर आई है लड़ी पिया 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 मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़ दी जो छोटी नंद ते वड्डी पर जाई बलो पानिया च गईयां दो जनियां छोटी नंद ते वड्डी पर जाई बलो पानिया च गईयां दो जनियां 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 मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़दी जो मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़दी जो मेरे हत्थां च छाले पए बलो चंबे ताड़ा कुटदी जो मेरे हत्थां च छाले पए बलो चंबे ताड़ा कुटदी जो ओ चंबे ताड़ा कुटदी जो चंबे ताड़ा कुटदी जो चंबे ताड़ा कुटदी जो चंबे ताड़ा कुटदी जो मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़दी जो मेरे हिकड़ू है गड़बड़ ओई बलो चंबे टकियां चढ़दी जो
जीव झाला येडा पिसा त्याचा नाही भरवसा तोला राहिना राखली ती मर्जी तुमच्याच वडीनं मी आले फिरतीच्या या रंगीराया चिंबोरी मी झाले राया सोडा तर काय येळ नाही परी पुन्हा भेटू कवा तरी साजणा मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी 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 वाजले की बरं मला जाऊ द्या ना घरी वाजले की
रागिनियों से सजा भारत अनोखा राग है, अनोखा राग है। भारत के इस एक तारे पे गूंजे है जो जो रागिनी, सब मिल गई एक धुन बनी।
एक है धड़कने एक ताल में,
सुर अनगिनत गीत एक है, ये देश सबका देश है।
that was a beautiful performance by the artists of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now have a group photo session with our respected dignitaries. We thank the wonderful artists of the Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy for that beautiful presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a resounding round of applause once again. Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy gi artist singbu amukaso hanna thagachapa phongdokchari. Hozik Mathang asidi ngasigi thoromapu ina lingsinbiriba Honorable Chief Minister Shri Yumnam Khemchandbu thoromapu gi warol thambiramna bagidama nolokna hangachari.
ngasigi har ghar tiranga gi loina na iroi nan chaliba sugumba function tiranga concert sigi dais lengin biriba Shri Ajay Kumar Balaji, Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Lori Dekho, Honorable Deputy CM, Shri Kontokjam Govindas Singh, Honorable Minister Home and Yas, Aduga Shri Khuraijam Loken Singh, Honorable Minister Art and Culture and Tourism, Aduga Mang the Lingjin Biriba, Honorable MLA Singh, Chief Secretary, Aduga Tuan Tuanbat, Manipur Sarkar gi, Daita Bubiriba Official Singh, Amadi Mang the Lingjin Biribi, Loinana, Print Namadi, Electronic Media is now Singusuina, Kaikuno Ucheri. Samna Azadi ka Maha Utsav, Sigi Paring Naina, Satarakpa, Adugumba, Har Ghar Tiranga, the program got Loinana Hasi, Tiranga concert Tama, Sida Pangtok PDC, Tongan ba Bharatki, Tongan ba Sanskriti, Tongan ba Adugumba cultural dance Mayama Savira Kanda, Madugi, Iroi Loshilakpada, Punna Pulaga, Bharatki, Tiranga ki Piran Su Pairaga, Asumna Loisali. That means I call Tongan ba Lolo Su Tongan ba Zati or Su Tongan ba Dharma Chapa Zati or I call Pirana Sigi Makada, we are all Indian Haibuduni, Koi Bharat Basi Haibuduni. Loinana, I Sigi, ꯃꯤꯀꯨꯞ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯟꯖꯥ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯟꯠ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯂꯦꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯅꯤꯛ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠꯊꯥꯡꯗ First of all, we are all Indian. Secondly, we are Manipuri. Aduna, ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯆꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯔꯤꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯉꯥꯛꯇ ꯚꯥꯔꯠ ꯃꯆꯨ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯔꯥꯜꯁꯤ ꯊꯦꯠꯄ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯨꯝꯊꯣꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯠꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯄꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ ꯖꯥꯏ ꯍꯤꯟꯗ.
We thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Yumnam Khimchand, for his presidential address. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my distinct honor of inviting our chief guest, the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Balaji, to address the gathering.
Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumnam Khimchand ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Shrimati Nemcha Kipgen ji, Deputy Chief Minister Shri Dikho ji, Honorable Ministers Govindas ji, Loken Singh ji, members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Chief Secretary, other senior officers, distinguished guests and invitees, and my dear teachers, students and fellow citizens, a very good afternoon to all of you. Khurum Jari. I'm delighted to be here with you all at this vibrant Tiranga concert organized as part of Har Ghar Tiranga campaign for 2026. It's heartening to see such a large and enthusiastic gathering coming together in the spirit of patriotism, pride and love for our motherland. Har Ghar Tiranga began under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. When India was entered the 75th year of independence, the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the whole year, which was 75th year of our independence, was celebrated as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. It's a simple yet very powerful idea to encourage every citizen to bring a Tiranga home and hoist it with pride. Under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, the campaign has grown into people's movement, deepening our personal connection with the national flag and strengthening the spirit of collective participation in nation building. Bringing the Tiranga home is therefore more than an act of celebration. It's personal expression of our connection with the nation and a collective affirmation of our responsibility towards its progress. It reminds us that nation building is not the responsibility of institutions alone. It is shared endeavor of each and every citizen, and he has an important role to play. The scale of Har Ghar Tiranga reflects the depth of this connection. In 2025, more than 9 lakh volunteers came forward to carry the spirit of Tiranga to communities across urban and rural India. The campaign's popular Tiranga Selfie initiative also received an overwhelming response. More than 7.5 crore Tiranga selfies were uploaded in 2025. These numbers are a powerful testament to the growing participation of citizens and enduring emotional bond that the Tiranga inspires across the country. The Har Ghar Tiranga campaign 2026 carries a particularly significant theme as we commemorate 150 years of Vande Mataram as our national song. For a century and a half, these words of Vande Mataram have stirred a deep sense of patriotism and love for the motherland. They continue to resonate across generations, reminding us of the emotional bond that unites us as Indians. This afternoon's program gives that enduring spirit a vibrant expression through music, dance, and remarkable talent of our artists. Here in Manipur, our rich cultural heritage adds its own distinctive voice to the national celebration. from the traditions of our hills and valley to our classical, folk, and contemporary artistic expressions, our cultural diversity reflects the very idea of India. Many traditions, many voices, yet one shared sense of belonging. The patriotic songs presented by Shri Shri Bal Mukund Dev Music College have brought alive the emotion and pride associated with our motherland. Their soulful performances have added a powerful musical dimension to today's celebration. This was complemented by the choreographic dance presentation by Jawaharlal Nehru Music and Dance Academy, which brought together movement, music, and tradition in a vibrant expression of patriotism. Together, these performances beautifully demonstrate how our cultural heritage can inspire pride in our nation and strengthen our sense of belonging. I would also like to take this opportunity to applaud the remarkable achievements of the sportspersons of Manipur at the recently held Commonwealth Games 2026 at Glasgow. Our athletes have once again demonstrated that the spirit of Manipur is synonymous with courage, discipline, determination, and excellence. Their achievements remind us that whenever the tricolor rises on the international sporting arena, it carries with its aspirations, hard work, and indomitable spirit of millions of Indians. I congratulate all our sportspersons, their coaches, families, and mentors, and urge the youth of Manipur to draw the inspiration from these champions and strive to bring even greater glory to our nation. I would also like to compliment the writers, singers of the state song who have been given recognition for the first time on a stage today. I wish them all the best. As India moves forward towards the vision of Viksit Bharat at 2047, the Tiranga reminds us of sacrifices that made our freedom possible, the values that sustain our democracy, and the responsibility we carry towards the generations to come. The journey towards a developed India is collective endeavor, and every citizen has a role to play in shaping the nation we aspire to become. I congratulate the organizers, the participating universities and colleges, the gurus, artists, and all those who have contributed to making this Tiranga concert a memorable celebration. I especially commend our young people whose energy, creativity, and talent bring new life to the spirit of Har Ghar Tiranga. As we approach Independence Day, I encourage every citizen to bring the Tiranga home and proudly hoist it, not merely as a symbol of our freedom, but as a reflection of our personal connection with the nation. Let its presence remind us in our homes and in our daily lives of the values of unity, dignity, courage, and service. May the spirit of 150 years of Vande Mataram inspire us to cherish our country, celebrate our diversity, and contribute in our own ways to a stronger, more peaceful and prosperous India. सारे जहां से अच्छा है हिंदुस्तान हमारा. जय हिंद, जय मणिपुर. Thank you.
We sincerely thank the Honorable Governor, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, for his gracious and inspiring address. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come towards the conclusion of today's program, may I invite on stage Srimati Sunenda Thokchom, Joint Secretary, Art and Culture Government of Manipur, to propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Srimati Jyoti Bhalla, Madam, First Lady of the State, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumnam Khemchan, Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, Srimati Nemsak Kipzen, and Shri Lositiko, Honorable Ministers, Shri Konthokjong Govindas, Kuraizam Local, Honorable Members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Chief Secretary Sir, all the seniors officers of the Government of Manipur, state and national awardees, esteemed invitees, dear teachers and students. It's both my privilege and honor to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion of the Tiranga concert organized as a part of Har Ghar Tiranga 2026 campaign. At the very outset, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the Honorable Governor of Manipur, Shri Ajay Kumar Bhalla sir, for gracing this occasion with your esteemed presence and your inspiring address. Thank you, sir. I also express my sincere thanks to Srimati Jyotivala Madam for gracing this occasion. Madam, your presence has added great significance to this celebration of our national spirit and unity. Thank you, Madam. I also extend my sincere thanks to Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Shri Yumnam Khemchan Singh, for joining us on this important occasion. Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. My words of gratitude also go to Honorable Deputy Chief Ministers, Shri Nemcha Kipchen and Shri Lot Sidiko, and to Honorable Ministers, Shri Govindas Konthauzam and Kuraizam Lokal Singh. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, sirs, for gracing this occasion. I would like to thank all the honorable members of Manipur Legislative Assembly, Chief Secretary, sir, state and national awardees, all the senior officers of the state government for your esteemed presence. Today's program has been especially meaningful because it brought together art, history, patriotism, as well as our cultural heritage, and we have also honored some cultural personalities who have aced their names on the cultural history of the state. Once more, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Aribam Syam Sharma, Shri Ayekpong Kamala, and the family members of late Basapati Mayum Jayanta Kumar Sharma, late Nongmaithem Pahari, late Ahibam Buddha Chandra, Ayekpam Sobita, and Khunrakpam Tamphamani. I also express my sincere appreciation to the gurus and artists of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy and Siri Siri Bal Mukunda Dev Music College, who made this celebration vibrant and memorable. I also thank all the distinguished invitees, members of the media, and members of the public for taking time to be with us. Your presence and participation have made this celebration truly meaningful. With these words, I once again thank you all for your gracious presence and participation. Thagat chari meambu, Jai Hind.
We thank Srimati Sunanda Thokchom, Joint Secretary, Art and Culture, Government of Manipur, for the vote of thanks. Today, through the power of music, dance, and our rich cultural traditions, we have celebrated something that connects us all, the spirit of our nation and the pride we share in being part of this great country. A heartfelt thank you to all who has contributed to making Tiranga Concerts 2026 a memorable celebration of our nation and our rich cultural heritage. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we conclude today's formal proceedings, may I request everyone to once again rise for the national song, followed by the national anthem.
Sujala
Thank you. Please be seated. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, with that we come to the conclusion of the formal proceedings of Tiranga Concert 2026 organized as part of Har Ghar Tiranga 2026 campaign. May I request everyone to kindly remain seated as our chief guest and distinguished